How to clean install Windows 10. Clean install. Clean installation is an operating system installation that overrides all the content on your hard disk. Like a typical OS upgrade, clean install removes the current operating system and user files during the installation process. The first step of clean installation is for you to set up the boot priority. After you set it up, reboot the computer. When you see the screen, press any key to start loading the Windows setup. The first option is for you to select the language, time, keyboard settings, and click Next. Next window, it will ask you to click on Install Now. Click on Install Now. Activate Windows. Click on I don't have a product key if your PC was upgraded before, or put in your product key if you purchased a Windows 10 that came with a product key, and click Next. If you have skipped to input your product key, you will be asked to choose the edition of your Windows. Please make sure to choose the right edition of your Windows. If you choose the wrong edition, you will end up having an operating system that is unlicensed, and you will have to perform a clean installation again to correct the edition. You have to read the license terms, and if you agree, you have to click on or check on I accept the license terms and click Next to continue. It will ask you for two options. One is for you to upgrade and one for you to do the custom installation. You have to choose custom installation for us to perform a clean installation. Select the partition to install Windows. We recommend you install Windows on a partition that has at least 20 gigabytes. If you do not format delete the partition, files would be kept. Windows installation will proceed automatically. During the install, your computer will restart several times. Once the installation has been completed, it will ask you to select your region first. Once selected, click Yes. Next, it will ask you to choose your keyboard layout. Once selected, click Yes. Click Skip unless you want to add a keyboard layout. How would you like to set up your account? If you are a home user, click on Setup for personal use. Click Next. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create an account. In this video, we will be using an existing account to sign in. We usually recommend to our customers to use a Microsoft account so you can enjoy the full potential of your operating system. Input your account and click Next. It will ask you to enter your password. Enter your password and click Next. Next window is for you to set up a PIN. A PIN is a Microsoft feature wherein instead of signing in using a password, you can use a PIN instead to log into your device, applications, and services. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a PIN. Once you click on Set up a PIN, the Windows Security will open. It will ask you for PIN requirements. Enter a PIN and click OK. If you wish to save the files on OneDrive, click Yes. If you wish to use Cortana, click Yes. Cortana is your personal assistant that can help you. If you want to know more about Cortana, click on the Learn More. Click on Yes to proceed. It will ask you to choose the privacy settings and click on Accept. You're all done. Please wait for a few moments until the final setup ends. Thank you for watching.